So let's switch and touch on one of the other three buckets from the start. Customer experience is very interesting to a lot of people, and especially to our audience. Is there an area of experience where you see AI having the biggest impact or benefit?
I think there's no one big obvious opportunity for AI in customer experience. We've found that where operators are seeing improvement on CX KPIs, it's off the back of other things that they're doing. So I mentioned the network operations fault management use case earlier on. The repercussion of adding AI in the network operations center, taking some of the sort of responsibility off human hands, is that trouble tickets are managed more efficiently, problems go away more quickly, and therefore there's a knock-on effect on customer experience in terms of networks that run better, less problems for the end user. The next step from that is to enhance that and become a little bit more proactive. So right now, trouble tickets come in when a customer picks up the phone and calls into a call center and says, there's a problem, my internet's not working, or whatever it might be. There's potential with AI watching your network that the computer could pick up a problem. Potentially it could get dealt with without the need for the customer to even pick up the phone, or potentially before the customer even notices it. So the impact on customer experience is currently a side effect of the other things that people are doing, rather than something that the operators are focusing on first and foremost.
Okay. And I can definitely see how, being more proactive on the care front can help reduce churn with customers and stuff. So do you see, generating new revenue as an opportunity that AI can help CSPs on the experience front? Are there opportunities there for them?
I think the really interesting and exciting area of opportunity there is around personalization. So using AI to offer consumers, enterprises too, consumers are the obvious starting point, more tailored services without the need for humans to sort of figure out what's going on. So one interesting use case we saw was an operator that's trying to figure out how to look at a given user's traffic profile and then offer them tailored services off the back of that. So you might see that you've got a family at certain times of the day, the kids are gaming online. You can see that from their traffic profile, and proactively the system might offer them a 5G network slice, which guarantees them uptime while they're gaming at that time of the day for a certain amount of dollars a month. No humans involved in that. They might get an SMS or an email that offers them that. They say yes or no. That service is provisioned there and then. There's all sorts of opportunity to do stuff like that and offer consumers tailored services in a way that's just never been possible before because it's too expensive. And that's where we're going to see a lot of activity over the next few years, because it's already possible. 5G network slicing, okay, that's a few years down the line, but the data's there to do that.
Is there any other use case you see with AI around the experience area?
Yeah, the other side of customer experience is more internally facing. It's using AI to better predict the propensity of your users to churn. So it's using AI for churn management, really. We hold vast amounts of data about our users. We know what they're doing, what they're using their phone for, to some level. There are solutions now coming on the market that say, well, we can look at that information and come up with a fairly accurate estimate of how likely that customer is to want to leave and go elsewhere at some point in the future. And we can use that data to act upon, whether that's to offer them personalized services, whether to offer them a reduction in their tariff, whatever it might be. So there's certainly potential there as well.